Hello students. In our previous video, we discussed about an electrochemical cell and studied that electric current flows in an electrochemical cell due to potential difference between electrodes. Now what is this electrode potential or potential of an electrode? That is what we will study in today's video. I'll explain this electrode potential most of the time has been very confusing for the students. So I'll try to explain in a very simple and easy way what is an electrode potential. For this, let us take a metal rod, say M, and dip it in solution of its own ions. For example, we have copper rod and we dip it in a solution of copper sulfate. So similarly, if M metal is there and solution of M ions is here. So when we dip this rod in its solution of its own ions, there are three possibilities. One is that these metal ions in the solution, they strike the rod and they come back without undergoing any change. There is no change. Second possibility is that these M ions, they go towards the rod, take up the electrons and change themselves into metal. As they are taking up the electrons from the metal rod, these ions are being reduced because they are gaining electrons and metal rod acquires positive charge. Clear? Metal ions जब metal rod के पास जाएंगे, they will take up the electrons from that and the rod will acquire positive charge. And in the solution, number of metal ions will decrease. Clear? Third possibility is that in the presence of metal ions, this metal atom lose electron and change into metal ions. They are losing electrons and changing into metal ions. So there will be accumulation of electrons on the rod and it will acquire negative charge, and here metal is being oxidized because I told you earlier also loss of electrons is oxidation. So in this, metal ions are reducing into metal atoms. This can happen, or metal atoms are being oxidized and changing into metal ions. This can happen. In this, the rod will get positive charge and solution will be having a negative charge. In this, the rod will acquire negative charge and there will be more concentration of positive ions in the solution. So there will be separation of charges between the electrode and the solution. Solution will become, in this case, solution will become negatively charged, rod will acquire positive. In this, solution will become positively charged, rod will acquire negative. So there is separation of charges, which is the basic cause of potential difference. There is separation of charge between electrode and solution. So electric potential will be set up between the metal electrode and the solution. This potential difference, that is what we call electrode potential. So what is the electrode potential? That is due to separation of charges between electrodes and electrolytic solution, an electrode potential difference is set up between the metal and the solution. This is called electrode potential. इसको हम डिफाइन कैसे कर सकते हैं? वेरी सिंपल डेफिनेशन कि इसमें आयंस की टेंडेंसी थी इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करने की. इन दिस मेटल रॉड, मेटल एटम्स हैड टेंडेंसी टू लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो दोनों पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं. मेटल आयंस कैन टेक अप इलेक्ट्रॉन और मेटल एटम्स कैन लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. So it is the measure of tendency of an electrode to lose or gain electrons in a half cell is called electrode potential. This is the definition of an electrode potential. If you are asked what is electrode potential, it is the measure of tendency of an electrode in a half cell to gain or लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन. वो गेन भी कर सकता है, लूज भी कर सकता है. कितने गेन करेगा, कितने लूज करेगा, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. तो इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल में दो वर्ड्स आ गए. एक तो इट विल आइदर लूज और गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, एंड how much it will lose or gain electron, that is called electrode potential. I think this word is clear to know. Any metal or ion, it can either gain electron or lose electron. That measure of that power, measure of that tendency is called electrode potential. अब हमने यहाँ कहा कि इट कैन लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन एज वेल एज इट कैन गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो हमारी इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल भी टू टाइप्स की हो जाती है. एक तो व्हेन द एटम्स आर लूजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन, दूसरी व्हेन एटम्स आर आयंस आर गेनिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो इट इज़ ऑफ टू टाइप्स. Oxidation potential, it is the tendency of an electrode to lose electrons. It is called oxidation potential. For example, we can take Zn atoms. They generally have tendency to lose electrons. So they will acquire two positive charge and lose electron. The oxidation potential and their electrode potential will be known as oxidation potential. So electrode potential ko we represent it with E. This is called electrode potential represented by E. So E in case of zinc will be oxidation potential, like E of Zn changing to Zn2 positive. Clear? Second is reduction potential. It is the tendency of an electrode to gain electrons. That is called reduction potential. Gain करने हैं. तो इसमें we can take the example of copper ions. Copper ion solution में they take up 2 electrons and form copper. In this case, E will be copper 2 positive changing to copper. So that is called reduction potential. Now the question is, if we are to compare the electrode potential of two electrodes, हम कंपेयर किसी भी चीज़ को तभी कर सकते हैं अगर उसके यूनिट्स सेम हो या सेम वैल्यू को कंपेयर करें. ओनली देन कंपैरिजन कैन बी डन. सो फॉर दिस व्हाट साइंटिस्ट थॉट दैट when there are two types of potential, oxidation and reduction, why not to convert it into one type? They observed that oxidation potential is reverse of reduction potential. Oxidation potential को reduction potential में convert करना हो तो we can change the sign. If oxidation potential is positive, reduction potential will be negative. So they converted all oxidation potentials into reduction potentials. For example, let me explain. Zn changes to Zn2 positive plus 2 electrons, and E for this was 0.76 volt. This is oxidation, like E Zn is changing to Zn2 positive. To convert it into reduction, I write as Zn2 positive changing to Zn. यहाँ पे जिंक से जिंक 2 पॉजिटिव बन रहे हैं. इन दिस आई एम चेंजिंग Zn2 पॉजिटिव इनटू zinc reduction. So in that case it will be equal to minus 0.76 volt. This is very important. You have to remember oxidation potential को reduction potential में change करना है तो we will change the sign. E of oxidation potential is positive, its reduction potential will be negative. So now all the electrode potentials were written in the term of रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल. सारी जो भी ऑक्सीडाइज भी हो रहे थे उनकी पोटेंशियल्स को भी रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल्स में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. फॉर एग्जांपल जिंक Zn2 पॉजिटिव टू जिंक दैट इज minus 0.76 0.76 volt. Copper 2 positive oblique copper is plus 0.34 volt. जिंक अदरवाइज ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है, इसकी इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल 0.76 वोल्ट है, बट वी कन्वर्टेड इनटू रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल, इट बिकम्स -0.76. नाउ इट बिकम्स इजी टू कंपेयर दीज टू. It means copper has more electrode potential than zinc, right? Reduction potential of copper is more than that of zinc. So with the help of this, we are very easily able to set up an electrochemical cell. In that, the electrode with higher reduction potential is taken as कैथोड. अगर दो इलेक्ट्रोड हमारे पास हैं जिसकी रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ज़्यादा होगी, वहाँ पे हमारी रिडक्शन होगी, एंड रिडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस एट कैथोड. सो दैट विल बिकम कैथोड इन द सेल, एंड द अदर that will act as anode. So very easily we can identify the two electrode. If there are two electrodes, we can easily select which one will behave as cathode, which one will behave as anode. The electrode with higher reduction potential will behave as cathode. The electrode with lower reduction potential will behave as anode. So this helped us in calculating the electromotive force of cell, or we call it E of cell. In this, there is, you must have seen, there is generally written E naught, everywhere E naught, here also E naught. This naught word means standard reduction potential or standard oxidation potential, that we will discuss in our next video about the standard electrode potential. But for here I tell you what is standard electrode potential. When the concentration of the solution which we have taken is 1 molar, metal rod has been dipped in a solution, उस solution की concentration कितनी होनी चाहिए? 1 m, temperature 298 Kelvin and pressure 1 bar और 1 एटमॉस्फेयर पे अगर हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे तो वो जो वैल्यूज़ होती हैं इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल की, दे आर स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. तो सेल का भी दैट ई नॉट विल बी स्टैंडर्ड ईएमएफ ऑफ द सेल और ई नॉट ऑफ द सेल. ई ऑफ द सेल फिर क्या कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल में 2 इलेक्ट्रोड्स होते हैं, लेफ्ट पे एनोड, राइट पे कैथोड. कैथोड की रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ज़्यादा है, एनोड की कम है. सो ई नॉट ऑफ द सेल इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पोटेंशियल ऑफ 2 इलेक्ट्रोड्स. E naught of the cell is difference between the electrode potentials of 2 electrodes, that is E naught cathode minus E naught anode, right? We can also write it as cathode हमारा right पे होता है, anode left पे. We can write E naught right minus E naught left. So EMF of the cell can be easily calculated from the difference between the electrode potential of electrodes. How we find the difference? That is E naught cathode minus E naught anode, or E naught right minus E naught left. Clear? Let us take an example. Suppose we have a Daniell cell. We have a Daniell cell. Daniell cell was zinc copper cell. Zn changing to Zn2 positive, salt bridge. Copper 2 positive ions are changing to copper. Right? Solid. This is solution. There is concentration 1 m, here solution 1 m, and this is solid. Now I have told you that when we found the electrode potential for zinc was minus 0.76 volt and electrode potential for copper, that is 0.34. In the cell, you all know this is left side, that is anode, and right side, that is cathode. So E naught of cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode, or what I have told you, E naught right minus E naught left. E naught right में हमारा क्या है, कॉपर, दैट इज 0.34 वोल्ट माइनस ई नॉट लेफ्ट में हमारा एनोड जिंक, दैट इज माइनस 0.76 वोल्ट. So it comes out to be 1.10 volt. That will be the EMF of the cell. Clear? So this way we can determine EMF of cell, E right minus E left. So this, I think you are clear about electrode potential and EMF of the cell or cell potential. Clear? So I wish this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching.